Tired of fumbling with paperwork after an accident or needing to share documents with Geico? In this video, we'll show you how to easily scan documents directly within the Geico mobile app, making your life a whole lot simpler. First, open the Geico app on your smartphone and log in. Then, depending on what you need to do, navigate to either your policy section to upload things like proof of insurance, or the claims section if you need to submit accident-related photos or documents. Within either section, look for an option like Upload Documents, Submit Photos, or Report an Accident. Click on this option to begin the process. The app will likely ask you what type of document you're scanning: an insurance card, a photo of damage, or other paperwork. Choose the appropriate option from the choices provided. The app will then launch your smartphone camera. Position your document, like your insurance card, within the frame, making sure all four corners fit inside the designated area. The app will usually automatically detect the edges. You may see a box around the document inside the camera view. This is great. It means the app has found the edges of the document. Once you have the document positioned, tap the camera button and take your picture. The app may process the image and automatically crop and enhance it, readying it for submission. After the photo is taken, the app will give you the opportunity to review the scanned document. If the image looks good and the text is readable, tap Submit or Upload. If the image isn't clear, or the document is out of view, you can retake the photo at this stage. And that's it. Your document is now uploaded to Geico securely and is available for review. Now you're ready to ditch the paperwork, get your documents scanned, and get back to your day.